Hey there, jet setters! Thanks so much for tuning in today. I'm Karla May and you're watching Girl on a Jet. Today I'll be showing you how to create this foot pampering kit, all with 5 items from the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned! Your feet can really take a beating after a full day of sightseeing, so be sure to show them some TLC with this mini pampering kit. Always soak your feet in warm water at the end of the day. It really helps to soothe and relax them after a long day of walking. Then dry them and check for any cuts or blisters. You can use BandAids like these, or a product like Liquid Skin to seal and protect any painful spots. Then follow up with a hand or body cream. I picked up this mini size, 1 fluid ounce, perfect for travel, and it smells like watermelon. Plus, I love mermaids. After massaging in the foot cream, I like to put on some soft socks to sleep in. These are really cute and cozy, and they really let the lotion soak in. Keep your mini pampering kit in something small and travel-friendly. I think this sunglasses case is going to work perfect. It'll keep my kit well organized and very easy to find in my luggage. I hope you enjoyed making this quick and easy foot pampering kit for your next travel adventure. Make 2 and give 1 to a buddy. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you'll know when a new video comes out. Until next time, remember, life's a journey. Explore, craft, and travel light. And have a great week, friends. Bye!